Welcome to new video. I am so happy to see you here, and today we will be learning freehand drawing or sketching. If you are up to realistic painting, no matter the medium, this is a must. To build your observation skills, you need to look closer, observe more closer subjects you are planning to paint. And it's not that you need to become super good at this. There are so many transferring methods, but doing this time to time, freehand drawing is a must, especially for realistic artists. When you are drawing, you are observing each detail, you are getting to know your subjects much more closer, and today I will show you how to approach. Altogether, I did freehand drawing for 8 subjects. Here on YouTube, I will show you full result of Color Lily, and all other freehand drawing results in full are available on Patreon. Color Lily is secured with 2 elastic erasers. And as I mentioned, this is a very basic flower. There's one big petal. But what we need to achieve here is a beautiful movement of the edges and the tip and the inner part. So again, axis is the stem. It's there. And it continues to this middle part of this petal of flower head. So first again, this one I will do in the size as it is. We are placing dimensions, thickness, then we have our stem, that is the axis, and it goes there to that outer tip that in some places we don't even see. But as we have a subject in front of us, we can turn around and look from different angles and see how that axis is actually going. So I'm bending and looking. So this is the thing that I am placing second. Well, the size was first and the axis is second. Then I'm placing in the size of the head and how the flower head, the angle, now thickness of the flower head, then we have one edge, then we have other edge. And if you look to the form, it's a triangle. If I would need to place basic form, it's a triangle. So this line goes here, then a little bit there. Very basic, very rough. This edge almost goes straight down. But it should meet with this one. So I need to lift all this flower head a little bit higher because the right wasn't the right size of the. So I can, again, I don't have details. I've spent only 3 minutes. I can change easily at this point. So there we have this axis. Axis was correct, but these petals weren't correct. And it goes down, and from there it goes there. This one goes here and there. As you can see, very basic, geometrical looking flower head. Now that I have this geometrical looking flower head, I'm placing the thickness of the stem. and I can add details. For example, this curved goes into here and there into the stem. Maybe you don't see it as it is really dark in your screen, but I can see it. Then this part is slightly curved in. And then there's a little bump. This one here, it goes straight into the stem. Now we have here this beautiful curve which goes there. Then we have another one here, and it goes all the way and into that tip. Then we see the back side of the tip. This edge goes into the thickness of the side of the petal. From behind there, we have a nice, beautiful curve of the petal. Then it curves to the other side, goes into here. And it's much easier to add these curves when you have the direction, the placement. Then I have a little bit of thickness here going on. Maybe this one is slightly thinner. I can adjust that now, as I'm not worried about smudging the real paper, right? I'm adjusting the thickness, erasing to see if I am correct. And as it goes here, straight down, and this one goes there. And here is my calla lily. Not afraid to smudge this paper because I will be transferring it to my original one. And so this is it. I hope you learned something new and you found this video helpful. It's slightly different approach to freehand drawing than usual beginners do, not starting straight away with details, but first you are putting in direction, main lines, curves, basic form, and only then you approach to more detailed drawing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what was hard, what was easy. Is it totally different from what you are doing, or you are doing the same? Would love to hear from you, and thank you for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye!